Hola, Señora Vaz here with your instructions for today. Today, the first thing that you have to do, as usual, is your actividad inicial. You had the first 5 minutes. I hope you already finished at this point. And what you're going to do is you're going to write your own name Hispanic style in the space provided below. This is the space provided below. Just need to type it there in that text enter box. You're already familiar with what to do. You're just going to press the button here where it says start assignment right here. And then you go ahead and type here. And then you submit and that's done. Today we're going to talk about how to say goodbye in Spanish. That's our next topic that we have. And you had some notes that you need to copy. You're going to get a new sheet of paper and you're going to write just these notes and you're going to write the examples, like we did with the greetings. So you have some examples on how to say goodbye right here. Also, you have a couple videos that I want you to watch. If you are in class, we're going to watch it here. You are absent today, you can watch the videos on your own. So right here, you can watch the videos. They are very short. And they're just talking about basic conversations, how to hold a conversation in Spanish, and then the ways to say goodbye. So that's all that you're going to be. They are very short. Then you're going to practice with your Quizlet, greetings and goodbyes. You have been practicing before. And at the end, we're going to play Quizlet Live. So that is all we're doing for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. Nos vemos en clase. I'll see you in class. Adiós.